Well, continuing the theme of recycling and reusing, I want to make some bird scarers, and I have in the studio here probably the largest collection ever of the songs. This is a CD done in 1993. I've got lots of them. Let's see if we can use them. That's bird scarers. The songs: Danilo Moscadini, Simon Hudson, Pete Bell, Matt Burke and Rob Davis on drums. This is 1993. There you go, there's the songs photographed outside the Duomo. So let's see if we can make something with these. A small hole, piece of chain, that should do. See if that's enough. No, it doesn't want to go. Now it does. Find a way of shutting that down. There you go. Should do that. Now, a piece of springy wire. Hook in one end. Okay, and there very quickly is what should be a bird scarer. Maybe. Will it work? We'll see. We'll put it into the fields tomorrow, into the barganews vegetable garden. We'll make a few of these and see if we can keep some of the birds away.